Show. Here's an article on the Kh-47M2 Kinzhal missile, Russia, tailored for a YouTube video script, without headings. The Kh-47M2 Kinzhal, known in English as the Dagger, is one of Russia's most advanced hypersonic missile systems, representing a significant leap in missile technology. Introduced officially by President Vladimir Putin in 2018, the Kinzhal was showcased as a new generation weapon capable of challenging traditional missile defense systems. Its development signaled a new phase in strategic deterrence and warfare capabilities. The Kinzhal is designed to be air-launched, typically from a specially modified MiG-31K fighter jet. This platform provides the missile with a high initial velocity and altitude, which significantly increases its overall range and effectiveness. When launched, the missile accelerates rapidly to speeds that exceed Mach 10, making it extremely difficult to intercept. One of the Kinzhal's defining characteristics is its hypersonic speed. Flying at over 10 times the speed of sound, it can cover large distances in minutes, reducing reaction time for targeted adversaries. This speed also allows it to evade current missile defense systems that are designed to counter slower, more predictable projectiles. The missile is believed to be capable of carrying both conventional and nuclear warheads, giving it strategic flexibility. Depending on the mission, it can strike fortified bunkers, high-value infrastructure, or even mobile targets. The destructive power combined with precision targeting makes it a formidable asset in Russia's arsenal. The Kinzhal reportedly has a range of around 2,000 kilometers when launched from the MiG-31K. When launched from other platforms like the Tu-22M3 bomber, the range could potentially extend even further. This makes it a key element in Russia's strategy to project power far beyond its borders. Guidance systems for the Kinzhal are believed to be highly advanced, integrating inertial navigation with satellite correction. This ensures that the missile can maintain its trajectory and strike with high precision even at extreme speeds. Some reports suggest the use of terminal maneuvering capabilities, allowing it to adjust its path in the final phase of flight. From a tactical standpoint, the Kinzhal offers a game-changing capability. Its ability to destroy high-value targets in contested environments means that it can be used in the early stages of a conflict to cripple enemy defenses or command structures. This could provide Russia with a significant first strike advantage. NATO has expressed concern about the deployment of the Kinzhal, citing the difficulty in intercepting such a fast and maneuverable weapon. Traditional air defense systems, such as the U.S. Patriot or THAAD, are not optimized to counter hypersonic threats like the Kinzhal. This has triggered a renewed global focus on developing hypersonic defenses. Testing and operational use of the Kinzhal have demonstrated its capability in real-world scenarios. Russia claimed to have used the Kinzhal in combat operations in Ukraine, targeting underground bunkers and ammunition depots. These instances, if verified, mark some of the first uses of hypersonic weapons in actual warfare. The choice of the MiG-31K as the launch platform is deliberate. The MiG-31 is a high-speed interceptor capable of operating at altitudes above 20,000 meters. Its speed and altitude performance make it ideal for launching the Kinzhal, enabling the missile to start its flight with significant kinetic energy. The development of the Kinzhal is part of a broader Russian initiative to modernize its armed forces and develop asymmetric capabilities to counter NATO's technological edge. Hypersonic weapons like the Kinzhal are central to this strategy, enabling Russia to bypass traditional deterrence and force multipliers. The missile's deployment in the Russian military has not been without controversy. Western analysts have debated the extent of its hypersonic characteristics, with some arguing that it is more of a high-speed ballistic missile than a true air-breathing hypersonic cruise missile. However, the operational threat it poses is not in doubt. Russia has stationed MiG-31K jets armed with Kinzhals in various strategic regions, including the Kaliningrad exclave, the Black Sea region, and even Syria. This allows rapid targeting of NATO infrastructure or allied assets in Europe and the Middle East, reinforcing Russia's deterrence posture. In terms of design, the Kinzhal resembles the ground-launched Iskander missile but has been modified for air launch and enhanced performance. Its air-launched nature reduces the need for large mobile launches, making it more flexible and harder to track. Because it is air-launched, the Kinzhal can be repositioned rapidly. Unlike fixed missile silos or static batteries, aircraft can relocate to different bases or airfields, complicating enemy intelligence and targeting efforts. This mobility adds a layer of unpredictability to Russia's missile forces. The psychological impact of hypersonic missiles like the Kinzhal is also significant. Knowing that there exists a missile that can strike within minutes with high accuracy and potentially carry nuclear warheads has implications for political and military decision making in a crisis. Technological hurdles associated with hypersonic flight, such as heat shielding, control at high speeds, and guidance accuracy, have largely been overcome in the Kinzhal program. While exact details remain classified, Russian officials have repeatedly stated that the missile is fully operational and in service. Russia's focus on hypersonic technology reflects its broader approach to military innovation. Rather than matching the West tank for tank or ship for ship, Moscow has sought niche areas, like hypersonics and electronic warfare, where it can gain a qualitative edge despite fewer resources. The Kinzhal's deployment has sparked a global